I am Professor Vinster. Welcome to your plastic world.
Professor Vinster here from Plastic World. Today we've got this beautiful, like inexpensive buggy. Now I bought these both at my local hobby shop, and they were under $200 plus tax. But you can also get them on Amazon, and they're four-wheel drive. They have a 540 motor, so for the price, amazing. And they are fast. I can't remember exactly what they said they were. 36 kilometers, or no, it was more than that. Ah, man. I'll update that in the bottom after I edit this. But anyway, this is one of them. And this isn't exactly the way it comes because I've already stripped it down. It's too late to show you. Uh, at the beginning, I have a picture that shows what it looks like. But this is after I've actually put a can I leave it here because this camera here, this bracket here, I put on because I've made the body for it that I prefer. So I'm going to place that there, and I'm going to pull the body up. Actually, where's the body for this one? The body for this one is here. So here's the body for this one. Now, the reason it's black in the front is because I had some extra material. Same PLA plus, but extra on the spool. So I'm going to paint them anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But anyway, this actually snuggles on there quite nicely and locks on. And wow, is that ever cool? Like, that is cool. Anyway, the other one I have that I'm going to grab here, I'm going to put this one here on the floor. And I'm going to grab this one here. Now, this one here, I'll lock that down too. Actually, it'd be better if the body was on the proper way. There we go. There we go. Now, this one here, I've taken my Tamiya rims and put it on here, some chrome rims. That looks really cool. So, but I took the windows out because I don't print the windows with it. These here are actually the windows, and they're semi. Well, you can't see through them, so they're opaque. They're light goes through them, but I think I'm going to put a bit of a tinge on them so they'll look cool. I'm going to put a interior light in it. I'm also going to put some taillights in it and some headlights in it because it's already got lights. So I've undid the lights out of the old system. I'm just going to wire them into this system. And yeah, these are really, really cool. The suspension is just wild. But I've got one more to show you that I'm really happy about. And like I said, for under $200, these are great. I've got three of them. I've got Mrs. Vinster, me, and little Vinster, my son, and we'll be racing them around the backyard. Okay, I'm back. Now, when I pick this one up, this is cool. This one I made into a track machine, and like it's four-wheel drive, so this thing actually it's wild. Look at the tracks. Now, the tracks are made out of just regular PLA. Not the tracks, sorry. The tracks itself are made from TPU, but the mechanism is all bearing, but it's made from PLA plus. Now, I have really good luck with PLA plus, and I find sometimes it can flex better than PTG, PETG. I might make the brackets out of PETG. I might make them in black, or I might paint them so wear off a bit. Doesn't matter. The whole idea of having a printer is if something breaks, you can reprint it. No problem. Reprinting is easy. So anyway, that's the deal. But I want to also show you something here. Now, down here, I have belts. The belts that I made. Now, these these are the belts. I'm going to put it up here. Now, these aren't the greatest looking. They're very thin. And I thought, you know what? I made this snowmobile belt for the snowmobile I'm making. It's heavy duty. So I thought, oh, you know what? I will take the center track of this, reduce it down, and make more durable. Oh, this one's rolling away from me. More durable tracks, like this one here. But I didn't realize this this vehicle is not really heavy enough. So when these turned, it flipped over the actual. So these things here. I'm gonna find a camera here. Here, let's go here. These flipped over. They wanted to keep flipping over all the time because it was too much for it to do the job. The thinner ones spun better and they don't flip over. They do a lot better job. I even tried thicker, of course, and I thought I was smart to do that, but no, it didn't turn out very good. So it ends up that I'm using the thinner ones, which work a lot better. So when you see this model here and you see these are very, very thin and they work really, really well. So yeah, but it's dynamite. This thing's just, it's crazy and it's so much fun. I'm going to do a video of it so that you can see how it runs.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.